the interest of fairness, I'm going to come back to Mr. Barlow, even if it does upset our logical order a little bit. In all your career, long career in the courts, you've appeared before many judges with different courtroom styles, judicial philosophies, and temperaments. Which do you admire, and which are you most eager to emulate as a judge?
Thank you. There's a judge, he's deceased now. His name is Louis Safer. He was a circuit court judge when I first came to Jacksonville, when I was working at the state attorney office as an intern, and when I worked in the PD's public defender's office. He was a very, very studious man, a courteous man, a humble man, and he carried great respect and authority at the courthouse. And I will never forget a case where he was always respectful of the litigants, yet he was tough. He was tough and he was fair simultaneously. He had the proper balance. I remember one time a gentleman who he sentenced him to about 20 years. That was a lot of time back in 1985, ladies and gentlemen. But the defendant when he was leaving with his 20 years, he thanked the judge for treating him with dignity and respect, and I never forgot that. Because I've seen the very opposite in 26 years of practice. I've seen judges holler at people. That should never happen in the court of law. That should never happen anywhere in a profession like we have. So I really like the fact that when it came down to sentencing a person, he was fair, he was respectful, he was courteous, he was humble, he had it all together. And that's a person that I really, really admired as a young lawyer. And even today, when people ask me that question, because some lawyers ask me right before they endorse me. And that's the name that I give, Louis Safer. His picture's in the courthouse right now.
Okay, thank you very much. I have, as we're concluding the panel now, I have